Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So over the past couple of months, I've been doing a lot of research and analysis on several stocks. So I thought it's only fair for me to come up with 8 stocks on which I'm personally very bullish on. Now, because I'm uploading this video on the occasion of Diwali, I'm going to revisit these stocks next Diwali. One, to check how the stock calls have been performing, and two, to ensure complete transparency. Now, make no mistake, this is not a stock recommendation video. The whole point of this video is for you to understand why I am bullish on certain stocks so you can use those earnings and figure out for yourself on what basis should one decide to buy a stock or not. Now that we have got the disclaimer out of the way, let us start. First things first, these stocks have been chosen across different sectors so that the portfolio becomes well diversified and our risk is minimized. At all points of time, you should ensure that diversification is there in your portfolio. The first stock that we'll talk about is ICICI Bank. Now, ICICI Bank has come up with phenomenal Q2 results, solid growth in revenue, solid growth in profit. Their net interest income, net interest margin, everything has gone up. Only thing that has gone down is the net NPA, which is again a very positive sign for the bank. And in my opinion, going by the management's commentary, ICICI Bank is well positioned to match the banking sector leader, which is HDFC Bank. So this is one stock that I'm extremely bullish on for the future. The current market price of ICICI Bank is 782 rupees. Now I'm mentioning the price here so that I can keep a record of all these stocks and revisit this in 1 year's time. Alright, so the second stock that we'll talk about is Dixon Technologies with a current market price of 5,562 rupees. Now Dixon Tech is a contract manufacturer. In fact, they have a very solid plan laid out to grow their revenue to 10,000 crores, which is currently sitting at close to 6,000 crores. I had made a very detailed video on why I think that it's a multi-bagger stock. Do check that video. The link is in the I button for you to see. And this is a stock that I am very bullish on. The third stock is Vinthi Organics. Now, this is a business that is into specialty chemicals. Again, a very niche area, and it's doing extremely well in that area. Very low debt, solid growth, consistent top line and bottom line growth for this particular counter, and that is why I'm bullish on this stock, which has a current market price of 1988. The fourth stock is Subex. Now I've covered a very detailed analysis of the entire turnaround for Subex. The link is there in the description for you to see, but given the kind of turnaround that the stock has witnessed and its products have started to gain traction in the market, I am bullish on this stock. Yes, the Q2 results of the stock were not good and it has fallen by around 15% from its highs that it attained. But right now at this current market price of 41 rupees, I feel it is going to be a very good buy and it also has a potential to be a multi-bagger in the future. The fifth stock is HFCL. Now this is a very risky stock. So do check the entire history of the stock if you want to invest in this particular counter. But again, the 5G products that it has are gaining a lot of traction in the market, and the entire support of the government as well, the entire transition towards 5G in the next year, maybe 6G as well, that is going to augur really well for this counter. From being a penny stock last year, it has jumped to 70 rupees right now. And I do believe that this stock also has a very good potential in the future. All right, now we have covered 5 stocks. The sixth stock that we're going to talk about is Divi's Laboratories. Now this is a pharma based counter. I have included this because among the pharma sector, this is a very good growth stock. Plus it provides me an excellent hedge if the market starts to correct, because we also need to remember that the market has jumped significantly over the past 18 months. So if there's a steep correction, I would want certain holdings in pharma as well, which is a defensive counter and which generally doesn't go down when the market falls drastically. The next stock that we're going to be talking about is Shyam Metalica. Now the issue price for this stock was 306, got listed at 380. Currently trending around 340, which is close to 25 to 30% less than its all-time high. No problem with the business at all. Solid fundamentals, good growth trajectory, limited debt, and that is why I see that this stock also has a good potential. The eighth and the final stock is Tech Mahindra. Significantly high growth in the past 1 year, and the reason that I have chosen this stock is because it has started to acquire a lot of 5G based clients. And again, because of the entire transition towards 5G, Tech Mahindra will find itself in a very sweet spot when the 5G transition is completed. The current market price of Tech Mahindra is 1496. Alright, this was a very compact analysis of why I'm bullish on these particular counters. Now, as I've already told you, I'm going to revisit these calls very soon to figure out how these calls are performing and to also ensure transparency here. Alright, that's it from my end. Do subscribe to Finance Lens for more of such content, and I'll see you the next time.